Okay, just right now, another question was asking, can I split here? The previous step I split, okay, the one that's below, I split here. Okay, that's the route. That's the purple route. Okay, asking can we split on 1 and 2? We can figure this out together. Okay, I think we can figure this out together. And just if we want to split at number 1 and number 2, okay, what we have here is HO with, this is carbon number 1, right? Carbon number 1. And then probably you need some minus. Okay, this side is OH and R. It's just carbon number 2. Think about the Grignard reagent. Think about the Grignard reagent. The formation of the, in our, this route, okay, the formation of carbon-carbon bond is here, right? This will resulting in the bond you form is right next to, or the bond you form is right next to the oxygen. Okay, the formation of this bond is right next to the oxygen. Think about Grignard. You can form a bond, but this bond is directly to the center carbon of the carbonyl, which should be on this oxygen. In our case, if you form bond here, I don't have an oxygen for you to, yeah. Okay, but if that's wrong, it's not wrong. It's we just haven't teach you the reaction to remove hydroxyl group. You will learn how to remove hydroxyl group in 118B. This is a really good question. If you do keep this one and write in 118B, you will be able to do, let's say, 2 or 3 more steps to remove hydroxyl group here and add hydroxyl group back on the other carbon. Okay, this will be a really good 118B practice question. You need 2 or 3 more steps. You form, you can do hydroxyl group here, something like this, and in one, okay, that's one step in 118B, and one step will teach you how to remove that. You will form R, and you do just like, that's why I said 2 or 3 more steps. Then you add hydroxyl group on this carbon. You will be able to do that in 118B. Yeah. The point that you cannot do it now is because you don't have that hydroxyl group. But let's do another way, okay? Since we're here, on note 25, you will be asking, okay, what if I cut here? Okay, what if I have another R2 prime? What if I cut here? How do we approach with that? That's on note 25. That's why I said note 25 is a review. Everything is the reaction you learn. It's a matter of how you use it, okay? Yeah, you all have the empty notes 25 now. You can take a look and think about how you're going to approach. It will be synthesis. And think about how you want to cast them and what's the possible reaction that you can do. I will walk you over, and my notes will include all the approach, like you cut here, what if you cut here? Well, at least the way that I can think of. And we're going to see why some of the routes work or why some of the routes doesn't work. Are we good? Okay.